Munire Mosa, tampokelerani. On this channel, Chitumbuka na Loreni, I support you to learn Chitumbuka language. Chitumbuka is spoken in my country, in Malawi, but also other neighboring countries like Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Congo, and places like that. So, in this video, we are looking at what we call different types of people. You call me African, but what do we call ourselves? You call yourself Chinese, but what do we call you? So that's what we are exploring in this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Okay, so like I said, this is about what do we call you? It's not about what you do in Malawi. So the next video will be about what different types of people do in Malawi. But this one is about how do we call you? Okay, so race, mitundu ya bantu. We are looking at different races, so-called race, because we know race is a construct. I did not understand this phrase until yesterday when one of the lecturers, or there's a professor from Queen Mary University called Adam, was teaching us about race capitalism. I was like, wow. I've been looking for this enlightening type of lessons for a long time. But trust you me, these scripts, I wrote them way back because I've had delays in recording videos, but the script has always been there. I have delays. This is why I've skipped, I think, 5 days or so or more that I haven't released videos because I was all over the place. But the scripts are prepared in advance. So it's just what some people call it coincidence, but I don't believe in coincidences. There's bigger. I believe in bigger power, you know. It was arranged. It's not a coincidence. So someone was just literally talking about race and in a very, professor, it means they've studied this very, very deep inside out. So it was enlightening, proper enlightening. Okay, let's get back into video. Races, like different races, mitundu ya bantu. Mitundu is types, yeah, of bantu, humans. So muntu is a human being. Bantu plural, human beings. Okay. Mutundu singular. If we're talking about one race, tikuti mtundu wa bantu. Mene mitundu ya bantu. So we have African. African, we call ourselves bantu bafipa. Bafipa it just means African people. Bantu is people, bafipa is us. Europeans, we call you wazungu. If you are alone, muzungu. Mzungu huyo ni njani? If you hear mzungu, 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 they're talking about you if you are a European. Asian, wamwenye. So sometimes wamwenye, we call them makarad. It's like colored. But we're referring to different Asians. It also includes Indians in that. But I've also put here Indian, mumwenye. Mwenye is singular, but mwenye is plural. So Indian, sometimes we can continue to say mwenye wa ku India, mwenye wa Pakistan, mwenye wa, So, but otherwise, that's your name. That's what we call you, mwenye. Mwenye awa, mwenye huyu. Mwenye gati, wa ku India. So different. Okay. Foreigners, vantu vakufumira kuvyaro vya kuwaro, there has to be a U at the end. like I said, these things were written long ago, but vantu vakufumira kuvyaro vya kuwalu eriyo at the end. So vantu is people, kufumira is from, vyaro is countries, kuwaru is outside. So we are trying to say people who are coming from outside the countries. We don't have one word, like you say, foreigners. Vantu vakufumira kuvyaro vya kuwaru, people who come from outside the country. Foreigners. Colored, makarad, or makarad without H. Mkarad now. Mkarad wakocho. Ai, ni mkarad wakuindi. Mkarad waku Blantyre. Mkarad waku foreign countries. Vyaro vya kuwaru, like I said. Vyaro vya kuwaru. Every countries, kuwaru is outside, like foreign. Other races, mitundu inyake. Mitundu inyake yusangika kuno ku Malawi. Other races are Chinese, to my China. Like I said, the next video is about what you do in Malawi. So look at, okay, the Chinese in Malawi, what are they known for? That is the next video. Portuguese, what are they known for in Malawi? Hello. So that's what it will to talk about Portuguese and my Portuguese are, okay? This video, let me stop share. Yeah, so basically that's it. If I've skipped any race, like Japanese, we call them Japanese. My Japanese. My Japanese are my China, my Portuguese. If I've forgotten other races, I'm trying to remember who have I forgotten. But if I've forgotten other races, ask me in the comments below. I will respond. I check all your comments. So if you've learned any word in this video, probably the one thing that you need to carry is, you need to remember is yourself and your race. What did I say you are called? So if you're white, as in Europeans, Wazungu. Yeah. So much as I put Europeans there, we have people from the US, white Americans, I guess. You are all grouped as Mzungu, as long as you're white. And then we have, yeah, the rest that I've talked about. So please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't liked the video, if you learned something. But I was saying one thing that you can take away is your race, what we call you, but also how we call ourselves, okay? Before you start being hated for not being sensitive about people. All right? Do you understand? Naruta, ye utaonga. Bye. That's the way, mitaruta, ye.